So friends, let's see today's simple pulao recipe which goes well with any side dish. So here I've taken 1 cup of rice. Now I'm using basmati rice. I've washed it well thrice and soaked it in 3 cups of water for at least an hour. Now we have some whole spices. So here we have 2 bay leaves, 3 cardamoms or elaichis. These are 5 cloves or lavang. These are 2 big elaichis or big cardamoms. This is half a teaspoon of peppercorns, and that is half a teaspoon of shaha jeera. If you don't have shaha jeera, you can use normal plain cumin seeds. This is 2 medium onions sliced, 2 medium tomatoes chopped, 2 tablespoons of yogurt or dahi or curd. I leave a recipe of how I make the dahi or the yogurt at home in the description box below. These are about 15 mint leaves of pudina, half a lemon, and 1/4 cup of fresh coriander leaves chopped fine. Now we have some powder masalas. This is 1 tablespoon of coriander powder or dhania, 1 teaspoon of homemade garam masala, and 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. I'll leave the recipe of the garam masala. 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, 1 green chili chopped fine, and 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. So these are all the ingredients. So now I've taken a pan or a pot, heated it up. Then I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of oil and 2 teaspoons of clarified butter or ghee. Now once all of the oil is nice and hot, we're going to add the whole spices. We're going to flavor it by just frying the whole spices a bit. Then we're going to add the onions that we chopped fine. Sliced fine rather, and we're going to fry the onions really well till they become translucent. Next I'm going to add the kasuri methi, just crush it up a bit and add it. Mix that well in. Next goes in the finely chopped green chili. Fry the chili well in the oil. And now we're going to add the ginger garlic paste. Now if you're grinding it at home, use about 5 large cloves of garlic and 1 inch of ginger and make it a fine paste. You can also use the ready-made paste. Next goes in the tomatoes. And now we have to cook the tomatoes till they're nice and soft and mushy. So we're going to cover it and cook it for about 3 minutes till the tomatoes become nice and soft, and then just press down the tomatoes. Now we're going to turn off the heat for about half a minute. And then we're going to add the dahi or the yogurt. So we don't have to add the dahi or the yogurt when the mixture is on the heat. So add the dahi or the yogurt and then turn the flame on. Mix everything nicely together. This way the dahi or the yogurt will not, go bad or spoil. And now we're going to add our lemon juice. So just take the juice of half a lemon. So that comes to half a tablespoon of lemon juice. Now we're going to add the 3 powder masalas. Next goes in the mint leaves. Now I'm going to keep a few mint leaves for garnish. Also fresh coriander. I'm going to keep a little coriander for the garnish. Now mix all of this really well together. Next we're going to add some salt to taste. Mix everything well. And now we're going to add 2 cups of water. Since we used 1 cup of rice, so we're going to use 2 cups of water. And now we're going to mix everything and we're going to let the water come to a gentle boil. Once it starts boiling, then just mix everything well together. And now we're going to drain all the water from the soaked rice and add the rice. Now we're going to mix everything really nicely together. And we're going to cook this till the water starts to evaporate. Now once the water starts to evaporate like this, just cover and keep it on a very low flame for about 5 minutes, checking in between. And then once all the water is evaporated, turn off the heat and just keep it for another 10 to 15 minutes with the cover. Don't open the cover. And that's it, guys. Your lovely simple pulao is all ready. And then just garnish it and serve it with some fresh lemon. This is a super simple recipe and it goes very well with any chicken recipe or veg recipe. So I hope you liked today's recipe. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and also don't forget to click the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of my videos. Thank you so much for being here and watching this video. I'll catch you soon in my next video, sooner than you think. This is Akshita signing off. Take care, guys. Bye.